Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need GeForce Experience and the overlay active. Once that's confirmed, open the overlay with Alt+C. Next, click Game Filter and choose a profile slot to modify. This is where you'll create color presets that apply in Valorant. Make sure Valorant is running so the filter binds to the game process. If it isn't visible, switch Valorant to borderless windowed briefly, then return to the overlay. Follow these first actions to attach the filter directly to your active game session. You'll now tweak specific sliders. Start with temperature and tint to shift team colors and neutralize green maps. Subtle moves work better than extremes. Once done, adjust gamma and exposure so dark corners reveal players without washing textures. Aim for clarity over glow. Then raise contrast by 10 to 25% to pop enemies off backgrounds, and finally add a small amount of sharpen, less than 30%, because clarity is the goal, not halos. Make iterative tweaks while looking at actual gameplay for balance. You're ready to save the filter profile and confirm it's assigned to Valorant so it applies automatically every session. Then play a deathmatch or aim map and fine-tune small values. Different maps may need tiny adjustments. If the filter doesn't show, first restart GeForce Experience, then the game. Often that resolves process binding issues. If problems persist, toggle Valorant between full screen and borderless and make sure no other color-correcting apps are running. That usually fixes conflicts and restores the Nvidia filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.